How to add a voiceover to a TikTok video on Android. This tutorial shows you how to record your own voice or apply voice effects before posting. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. From there, tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to open the camera. After that, tap the camera roll icon at the bottom left and select the video you want to use from your gallery. Then tap Next. At this point, you'll land on the editing screen. Look at the tools on the right side of the screen and find the mic icon. If you don't see it right away, tap the drop-down arrow to expand the tool list and look for the option labeled Voice. Following this, tap it and you'll see a range of voice sound effects you can apply to your audio. From here, if you want to record your own voiceover instead, tap the Record button at the bottom. After that, tap the play icon to start recording your voice over the video. This lets you narrate or add commentary in sync with what's happening on screen. Once done, tap Done to finish your recording. At this stage, if you want to adjust the voice further, you can apply different filters or effects from the same menu. Following this, tap Save at the top right to keep your changes. Then tap Next. Finally, add your caption or description and tap Post to share your video. That's how you add a voiceover to a TikTok video on Android. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss one. See you next time.